Shalini Horo. I'm from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and I've completed my BTech from Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institutions in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. And in my BTech, I have secured 76.67 percentage, and I'm placed in Fuji company, and that is offering me 3.5 LPA. JSpiders is a great institute for learning technical skills from basic to advanced. Here the teachers helps a lot from delivering knowledge to clearing doubts. I would like to thank Mohsen sir for logical programming, Manoj sir for teaching database, Keshav sir for OOPS concepts, Harish sir for front-end part, and especially Yash sir for teaching advanced concepts of OOPS and collections. And I'm very thankful to HRs, Niyati ma'am and Pavitra ma'am for providing me an opportunity and guiding me throughout my interview. Thank you.